Okay, this will be an interesting one. Very interesting this will be. So we're going to set this up for matte mode, and we're going to make this a black. I'm going to also do single color as well. I'm not sure how big to make this. We're going 141.4, and what are we going to do with this? Going to make this look nice, contrasty, and the copy density will stay in the middle, and the sharpness. Okay, let's see what we have. We're going to photocopy. We got here a colouring in book with a missing front cover. We're going to photocopy this, nice and convenient. So we got here, yeah, it looks really nice. So we're just going to put that up on the edge. We're going to just slide it across a little bit, but we're not going to get too far in because we've got to get rid of the border. We don't want the border on our copy. So let's see how we go. The margin on the original, I'm not talking about the photocopier's border, I'm talking about the border on the original. We're just going to copy straight onto the image, or copy the image, and that looks really quite nice. We do have some of the border there, which looks shit. I'm thinking we're going to have to move it across a bit. Anyway, we want her face better framed than that, so we're going to just slide that up further. Or maybe the border is from this part. Maybe the border shouldn't be. I've got it on that, so I'm going to just slide that up a bit further. Slide it up a bit, so the woman's face will be in the frame nicely. Right, let's see how we go with that. The document feeder just went off for some reason, made a funny noise. Photocopiers indeed. Anyway, that looks better. You can see her in the frame now, and you got rid of that nasty looking border. So we're now just going to print this job off as a mirror image. So this is our black version. I think the black will go, we're going to leave the black down there for a change, and we're going to go and print off the other colours. So we're going to go to single colour, and we're going to print off the blue colour called cyan. So these will be put together as a surprise, not a mirror imaged piece, but we're going to start with these two cool images. It's cool colours. Well, black's not a colour, it's actually what's called a tone, but I'm calling it a colour, you know, because it's with the blue or the cyan. It's not blue, it's actually cyan. Cyan is the technical name for this process colour. So we're separating the process colours here of this piece of equipment. So we've got that. Now we're going to just add this just in case, just so the machine doesn't accidentally crop the image in mirror image mode. So we're going there, and we're going to just change this to one of the warm colours. We're going yellow, the happy colour. So we've got yellow, print off yellow. Out it comes. So that's our yellow. It's not terribly easy to see. Even with the camera, it's hard to see the definition of it. We'll just see if we can look at it, keep the camera still, you can still see it. So we're just going to put that there like so. It's a shame you can't see the yellow very well. It's a nice colour. And we're going to go with the pink called magenta, and I just heard the scanner make a funny noise. Yeah, that's what it did. Alright, out it comes. So this is our fourth and final image in this series. We're just going to put it all together. So that's our magenta, and there's our yellow. I'm going to try and line up these pieces between the yellow and the cyan, which is a little bit tricky. I just nudged the black one big time, so I'm just going to move that, and I'm just going to try and slide the yellow into place. Okay, that's the yellow, and the cyan, which is that pink, is going to go into place too. It's not easy getting these lined up, folks. Okay, so there you have it. A little bit hard to see, it's very thin lines, but there you have it. I think we can now call this demo quits.